Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add Klarna to Stripe. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button and log into your Stripe account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open your account settings. From the Settings page, scroll down and under the Payments section, click on Payment Methods. Here you'll see a list of payment options. Scroll until you find the Buy Now, Pay Later section, and then look for Klarna. Once you find Klarna, simply click the Turn On button next to it. Now keep in mind, Klarna may go into a pending status, which means it needs to be reviewed before being activated. This usually takes a few days. You'll be notified once it's approved, and then it'll be live and ready to use on your checkout. And that's it, Klarna is now added to your Stripe account, giving your customers more flexibility when they shop.